We've got a thumbs up. Drivers by the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Human players not wasting any time on the red side of the field as they throw into their hub. We've got chaos in the alliance in the neutral zone as fuel goes everywhere. On the blue side of the field, we have Rebellion trying to line up a shot. Human players continuing to score on the red side of the field as the robots lay dormant waiting for teleop. Ding, 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 and we're into teleoperated mode. The drivers take control. Team Orion comes screaming over the bump and gets hung up on some fuel. Hopefully their teammates can get them off. Purple Haze filling their robot in the neutral zone, pushing fuel over to the Red Alliance in preparation for their shift. Rebellion lining up their shot. They empty their intake. And the fuel goes up. Some of them making it into the hub. Red Alliance shift. Purple Haze and Team Alpha empty their robots into the Red Alliance hub. BBQ shuttling some fuel back over to the Red Alliance zone. Looks like Rebellion and Team Orion may be hung up over by the blue bump. As we go into the Blue Alliance shift, it's only Conspiracy holding this up. Maybe they planned it that way. Conspiracy empties their hopper and they go back for more. 1 minute remaining in the match. We've got some movement over by Team Orion as BBQ knocks them almost free. Conspiracy helping their teammates get free. Orion and Rebellion back in the action as the red side of the field unloads onto the red hub, making full use of their shift right before the end game. Human players continuing to make shots in the red side of the field.
Climb time, climb time.
Into the end game, both hubs are active. Let's see what they can do. Conspiracy emptying their hopper to the Blue Alliance hub. Purple Haze and Team Alpha emptying their robots into the Red Alliance hub. BBQ continuing to shuttle fuel. 10 seconds left in the match as Alpha seems to line up against the Red Alliance tower. They're up and off of the ground. Can anybody on the Blue Alliance respond to them? 2, 1, and